30 years of ministry experience, pastoring, teaching, been on the road as an evangelist, started a Bible college. I've got tremendous experience. I preach for some of everyone that's anyone. I've been in church ministry and have existed. I've been full-time doing the work of the Lord, and I'm excited. Maybe that's your dream. Maybe that's your vision. Hey, I'm called to ministry, and I want to do it. But I need to be trained and prepared. I'm ready to be ordained. Maybe I'm ordained or licensed, but I don't have the grit of information I need to do ministry the way I need to do it. I need help. Well, look no further. You're in the right place at the right time. It is St. Thomas Christian Institute. It is our ministry training program. If you are ready to be trained, our ministry boot camp and school of ministry takes place every week where we train people. You say, well, I'm not in Jacksonville. Get this. That does not stop you from facilitating your training. You can do it via online. Now, I love when students are able to come in class and I'm able to do what I call one-on-one spiritual impartation. But listen to me. The vehicle of the internet affords us the opportunity to be able to train you even from wherever you're at. In the United States or even in other countries. If you're ready to be prepared for ministry, I mean that stuff not like learning how to do weddings and funerals. We're going to train you that. But I mean that stuff like learning how to make things matter, how to deal with conflict resolution, how to plan a church, how to survive a budget, how to make a budget on the road, how to get your press package, your promo stuff together, how to get invites to preach places, and how to work the ministry that God has given you. Stuff that no one taught you, that you finished seminary, but they didn't show you. Let us help you. So if you're ready for this revolution, and we're excited to give you the revolution, give us a call today or sign up and apply and have someone to call you and get you started on your classes quickly. I'm excited. Give us a call today.